As of this recording, the wallet is priced for $125. Now, hold on, is that right? This is a Proof wallet. You can see right here, it comes in a black box. Let's see, there are two different colors. We have the brown leather, which is what we have right here. Also comes in a carbon fiber. Both of them have a gunmetal contribution in the metal piece on the back. So let's take a look and do a feature review of this. On the exterior, we have a cash strap, quick access card folded, once, go into here, whatever it might be. You can put a card in here and you put your cash folded twice right in here as well. Then we go to the back or we go to the interior. Oh, looks like we have something in here already. Looks like a card, gives you an example, and that's what we have. We have the main card compartment right here. You can see and get a closer look at it. It has elastic that goes around. That's this elastic component in the front. And we have a generous loop down here, which is what provides us the ability to carry up to 25 cards. And yeah, we're going to test that. Let's put a card in here really quick, just so we can see. And while we get at right here, and then of course we have a pull strap. Pull strap on the back is what allows you to get the cards out like this. You put it back in. We'll talk about that. I do like how it recedes in here, kind of rests in so that it's not in the way. It measures 3.6 by 2.2 by 0.6. And it weighs 2 ounces or 56 grams. So now let's take a look at the card and cash insertion test. As you saw, I got 8 cards in there and 2 slips of cash. Company says it can hold up to 25 cards. So let's do it. Let's take this out. We have 8 right here. Let me get 25 more. Okay, here is a stack of 25. Notice we have some embossed cards in here. Boy, let's see what this can do. Okie dokie. And, oh, here we go. Woo, baby. Okay, you can see it right here. There is 25 in here. That is quite the stack. And notice that this loop down here accommodates it. It actually does a pretty good job considering all that's stuffed in there. So yes, it is very much possible to get 25 cards into this teeny little wallet. So let's get them all out of here. We'll do this by grabbing the little pull strap and we will just pull all these out, set those aside. Let's put one card back in just so we have something that's functioning well here. From a quality perspective, I can't find where it was designed or made, but based on my experience, it was designed in the United States and made in China. It's a veteran-owned business, which means it's stateside, but when it's not made in the United States, it's often omitted on purpose. But like I've said before, the quality coming out of Chinese products and Chinese factories is really all about your specifications you give them. Remember, your iPhone and Android phone are all made in China. And you can have crappy things and products that are made in the United States. So this is made from a top grain leather with aerospace grade aluminum on the rigid bits in the back. Now we can see that the strap itself, and let's kind of get in here and I'll get a little bit of a flashlight going. This is nylon and it is attached to this right here, which is a microfiber, which helps protect your cards on the interior and it really prevents them from becoming scratched. The 2 plates, which are on the interior, let's look at that again. Maybe be able to see it right here. They have these little screw holes. Those little screw holes, they are flush, so you're not going to have cards that are going to get scraped as they move along in here and not damage your cards, which is the last thing we want to have happen here. Now, the top of the elastic, as we can see right here, has already started to expand out. I've put the cards in there and look at what it's already done here. And that's okay because honestly, you have a lifetime guarantee on this, which means, yeah, if anything goes wrong with it, you lose it, whatever, that's what they're falling back on. And that's their ultimate catch for their customers is a lifetime guarantee. Anything goes wrong, they'll replace the wallet for you. As of this recording, the wallet is priced for $125. Now, hold on. Is that right? Okay, it is, I guess. And the price is the same whether it's the leather or the carbon fiber version. Now, before I comment any more on the price, let's move into usability. Easy enough to use. I like the rigid back that we have right here because it gives you a starting point with a wallet to be able to put things in, and it's integrated nicely in the resting place of this metal with the leather, and you can see how it all integrates itself here very nicely. As I mentioned earlier, we have the pull strap right here, and the pull strap comes out. Goes back in, but you can see we have this V in here, which gives it a nice resting place. Often it's, even with oh, I don't know, 8 cards like I showed earlier, you still have to kind of wiggle this strap head down, push the card as far as you can, and then wiggle the rest of it down so it lines up. As you have more cards in here, then you'll have the option to have it go in all the way, but that's kind of the give and take we get with this. Now it is sized to be exact, the exact width of the card that you put in here, so it's very small, easy to carry. The rigid components, I would discourage a back pocket because of that. Otherwise, sciatica is a miserable companion. You don't want that at all. We've seen this design done by other companies and it's popular. That said, I thought the Proof Wallet was kind of a new take on this, which did address some of the annoying things about leather-only versions, which I like, and the design elements are actually quite cool. And now onto the final score. Quality of 3. The elastic and how it's stretching out already concerns me a bit right out of the gate. Price of 1. And not for the materials, the top grain versus full grain leather, low complexity in the design build. I think it's just a wee bit overpriced. Features of 3, does what it should. Usability of 4, easy to work with. Perception of 4, I like the design. I think they're going in a different direction for something that maybe you thought, what else could they do? And that gives us a final score of 3 out of 5. If you like this video, then watch this one next, and we'll see you in the next review. Goodbye.